Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the ISI Mstat PSA 2020 paper. So in this video the question that we'll be trying to solve is question number 8. Okay, so with all that said, let us just take a look at the question. Let S be a set of all 3 into 3 matrices A1 3 such that the matrix A13 cube has one rank 1. Okay, let R be the set of rank of A is to A element of S, then R is equal to, okay, so let's take a look. So suppose if we talk about A, so therefore A will go from 1 1, A 1 2, A 1 3, A 2 1, A 2 2, 2 3, and A 3 1, 3 2, and A 3 3. Okay, so now let us suppose let B be equal to A11 cube. I'm simply following this particular condition. Okay, so A12 cube, A13 cube, similarly A21 cube, A22 cube, and A23 cube, 31 cube, 32 cube, and finally A33 cube. Okay, so this is what we have. Now let's further take a look into one more thing. Now it's given has rank 1. Okay, so this particular B, so since B has rank 1, okay, so therefore what we can write here, A21 cube can be written as cube, A11 cube. Okay, similarly A22 cube can be written as C cube, A12 cube. Okay, A23 cube equal to C cube, A13 cube. Here C is nothing but a constant. Okay, C is nothing but a constant, and also we can again write A31 cube equal to K cube, A11 cube, A32 cube can be written as K cube, A12 cube, and A33 cube is nothing but K cube, A13 cube, where K is another constant. Okay, so these are just, since rank is 1, we simply multiply the terms with certain constants. Okay, so therefore we can further conclude from here is that A21 is equal to C A11, comma A22 equal to CA12, and A23 is A13. Also A31 equal to K A11, A32 equal to K A12, and A33 is equal to K A13. Okay, so therefore rank of A is nothing, is 1. Okay, so therefore R is nothing but 1. Okay, so this is our answer. Option A is the right answer. So I hope this thing is clear to you, how we came about with the solution of the same. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video, and I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.